What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video. So today is a day, so why not get another phone to unbox and eventually review. Why have I bought the Google Pixel 5 and the Google Pixel Buds? Well, because I'm addicted to tech, but also because if anybody watches my channel, you will know I have numerous phones, most recently the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the OnePlus 9 Pro. So why have I bought the Google Pixel? Because there are some people that think this 12 megapixel camera or sensor is still just as good as these £1,000 flagships. $929 for the OnePlus 9 Pro. I can't possibly imagine how that is, bearing in mind the 12 megapixel lens on the Google Pixel is around 4 years old now. So Google relies heavily on software to upscale their pictures. So I'm going to unbox it today, and if you subscribe to the channel and if you're good boys and girls, you'll get to see that camera comparison and a full review of the Google Pixel 5 and the earbuds. I'm kind of addicted to wireless buds. If you look at my channel, there's about 5 or 6 different wireless buds that I've reviewed. I hate opening these boxes on camera, but we'll get to that soon. So, Google Pixel 5. This is 128 gig in that sage green colour. Okay. Nice white box, as Flossie would say. Okay, so straight out the box you can see you get the phone in that green colour. Okay. For size, the OnePlus 9 Pro. Yeah, so it's a 6-inch OLED panel you're getting on here with, let's see if there's any juice in it. I'm sure there will be. Fingerprint sensor on the back, all aluminium body, and as you can see there, you've got a couple of cameras on the back with the flash. So again, main focus is to see how well this camera does. Now, the Google Pixel 5 originally came out on October last year when all other manufacturers were getting rid of charging bricks, but no, Google have their, let's see here, what have we got here? I think it's 20 watt charging brick with a USB, you'll have to apologise here, yeah, USB-C to USB-C cable. I have never ever owned a Google device. Oh, they've got a little adapter there to transfer, I'm assuming from Lightning to USB-C. And hold on, is there no, oh no, there is a manual, of course there's a manual, silly me, with a SIM ejector tool as well. Yep, SIM ejector tool in the back. So that's the Google Pixel 5. Turns out there's no juice in this phone. That's disappointing. It's probably because it sat in a warehouse for 6 months, because Google have only sold about 4 of these devices. Okay, quickly, let's move all this shite out the way. Open up the Google Pixel Buds. Now, a feature I'm looking forward to using on this is translation. I'm in lockdown now and I have nobody that speaks another language, but I'm sure at some point I will get to use it. Okay, see, I did tell you I hated these boxes, but actually, this just lifts up as well. Well done, Google. Okay. Yep, nice white case. I have gone for the black version of the Pixel Buds. Again, no idea what the sound is like. I'll give you a quick review of that when I'm doing the Pixel 5 review. I am not doing a separate video on the Buds because I can't be bothered. I've never actually looked. Okay. Oh, they're pretty cool. Nice and small, compact. I like it. So there we have it. Quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 5 and the Google Pixel Buds. There's reverse wireless charging on this. I'm looking forward to testing that out as well. So there we are. Tune in, subscribe to see more content on the Pixel 5, including that camera comparison. Look how shiny that is, you can see me in the camera. Ooh. And the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the big daddy. Peace.